You look at the design while...
No, you look at it and then you decide what you're gonna do, okay? You're supposed to be the artist here, and you keep asking me what exactly.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Thai Life channel. I am back with my wife. We are gonna continue that set. It seems like she didn't like the design, but we're gonna fix it. We are gonna fix it today and together. And you know how you know when it's a good top coat? It's hard to file it off.
This one I can tell it.
Like,
It feels like rubber.
Like rubber? It's supposed to feel like glass.
No, it feels thick.
Rubber is not thick, honey. Rubber is soft.
It feels, I don't know how to describe it. It's very shiny, but it feels pretty strong.
Okay, so when I use Gotti top coat, it feels like glass. Like when I touch it, it's so glossy that when
This was really glossy.
And it's slippery.
Yes. This is actually really good.
Alright.
Wait.
What?
Edge.
I don't want to file them.
How about this edge?
Where? I didn't see. That's hard to see. Your fat skin's in the way. Here.
And that edge too.
Here. Turn this way. Yeah.
You have to put more hard gel on.
No, I'm just gonna use the paper band and smooth it out. You could. It's not gonna kill you, but which one you gonna use? Put the brand right here. There's a lot of room. Your elbow look
You're
like.
the one who put it here.
I know, but that doesn't mean you can't move it for me. You want the other box here too? Why don't you place it right here? Yeah, see? At least people know what kind of brand we're using.
Well, it makes it looks like you're gonna do something crazy and you can pull out white only.
That's all that matters. Shoot, it doesn't matter what. People probably want to know what kind of diamond your nail has. Cause dang, it's like 24 hours, grow like 1 millimeter. I like this little trail. It's pretty strong for a little one. And the batteries last pretty long too. That's what I like about it. Oh, your cuticle grow back fast too. Alright, go wash your hand. Okay, so let's do the ring finger and the middle finger like this. Okay, so for that, why don't you do on the thumb and the pinky and the rest, the middle finger, let's do like this way because that looks weird.
Not like that.
Exactly, so let's do that with the pinky and the ring finger. And then, the thumb and the pinky and your 3 middle finger, we do exactly this design right here. That looks clean. Yeah, that we do on the thumb and the pinky. Can you please make up your mind?
I told you I want one middle finger.
Okay, why don't you just tell me what you want? We're gonna go through this again. Oh my god, every time when it comes to design. Are we ready? What do you want? You get to pick now, because I'm not picking no colors. You want the white one? Let's try this one. My honey secret. Alright, give me your hand. The liner, I thought we were gonna use the one. I don't know if your feet is showing. It's just too long and it picks up too much paint, so I don't get the line just the way I want it, you know? Because my line used to be like very nice and clean. This is just too bubbly. That one's okay.
Want to use a brush? Want to use a brush?
Let me try again real quick. This is crazy here.
Do you use a brush usually?
No, honey, I use a very small little brush.
Okay,
But
you have a
the
bunch
thing
of
is, I'm
brushes.
trying to cover your nail too, because that's your natural nail growing out, you see? So like, to be thin like that and then I'll feel better. This is the long way. You guys all know I like to teach people the fast way. That's just color it in. Okay, what's next?
Do the little line.
What little line?
This white one.
Just a white one?
Yeah.
Boy, how come you didn't tell me there was a little line?
I just said there was a little line.
I didn't even see that. Your finger is so tiny. Hold on, where am I gonna stick that little line from? Your finger is way smaller than that nail. Honey, I'm just being real. So if I want that, I have to make this frame very nice and thin.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, keep going.
I'm just saying, you know your nail's shorter than the long
okay.
one. So what's next? So what you can do with the Frenchies is you can outline with the silver lining on the Frenchies.
I'm not gonna outline the French.
Okay, what's next? Or you can do that swirly line right there going down, which is fine.
Yeah,
I didn't even see the white. That's why I'm like, what white? It literally blends it in with the gold. But anyways, go on.
Okay, why do you have all crazy?
What's next?
This.
On this finger? So it's like, can you bring it closer? Too much glare. So it's like this and like that.
Yeah. Oh god, that's disgusting.
That's why you're my wife. And you get the best treatment. Yeah.
You're gonna seal your saliva in with the tongue.
Okay, Kira.
Okay, I don't like that part. It's too rounded.
Too round what?
It needs to be sharper, the line.
Where?
The top of it.
It's supposed to be round.
No, it's not.
It's supposed to be a bubble going out. That's what the other one is. See? Lord, put the just put it in.
You're not gonna draw the white.
Not white. What? Hey,
Right there.
draw what?
The line, the silver lining.
Honey, you have to cure that first. Why is your foot touching my foot? This is ridiculous, okay? Can I concentrate? God. Makes no sense. I swear, it is getting so annoying just hearing you scratch. Oh God. Literally, I can hear you up here, okay? That's just... God, man.
And I pick out the pink
For what?
for the flowers.
We're not doing flowers. We're doing
we
this.
are.
You're adding too much to it already.
Yes, we are.
No, we are doing flower next time. There's too much. Your hand is so tiny with so many white already. Why would you add flowers? Honey, you don't have the equivalent size of that nails.
Okay, honey.
For real. Does it matter which line, how it goes?
No.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
No money back, okay? Like that?
Mm-hmm.
How about this one, line two?
Yes.
For what? We're not doing
Yes, we
flower.
are. Yes, we are.
What flower now? I don't know any flower.
Can you open this one and see?
Pastel.
See, it's too plain without anything.
Huh? It is not
Okay.
plain, okay? I don't know what you're
You
talking
can-
about being plain. Okay, your pinky is so tiny. Why would you want it on? Why don't you do one in the middle right here? That's sticking out over here. What do you think?
It's cute.
You like the color?
It's okay.
It's alright.
I thought it was gonna be that color.
It's okay.
It's too neon.
It actually looks cute from far though. Yeah, it does look cute. No, it stands out. Here.
I'm not gonna draw on other fingers too.
Wait, how many do you want?
I don't know. There's another one over here or something.
You did it?
Can I try to draw on you with this liner brush?
No, next time.
Please.
It's late.
Just one.
No.
Just one.
I'm not, no, babe.
Just one.
No, it's late.
Oh
Stop.
Honey,
What?
why do you get all mad, you see?
What happened?
Why do you get all mad when I ask you if I can just do one?
Because I need to put top. I'm not done with you yet. If I'm done with you, then that's a different story. A for effort, okay?
No, there's no A for effort.
Go.
You want me to walk around saying, oh, my husband did.
Alright guys, we are finishing up this. It was just a polish change, but it took like an hour and a half. And look at this.
This is a polish.
Look at that, guys. That's what we did. It looks nice. Look at that. Dang, look at her. Oh man, okay, look at this. That looks nice. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry if we get into an argument here and there, but that's how husband and wife doing nails looks like. Or sound like. That looks nice. Dude, this become like a nail studio back here in this room.
You gonna file the bottom stuff on?
No, I'm gonna let you do that yourself. Here.
What?
Here, let me do it. So I'm gonna do episode 1, husband doing wives nails. There we go. And then we go episode 2, we do like a series on YouTube. And then we might have to get your nails done every week.
See how these flowers are better than these ones? These ones look very forced. This one flows more. You see what I'm talking about?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Whatever.
It looks fine to me. I don't know what you're talking about.
These ones are better.
No, you act like those flowers has personality. All right. We are. Okay, let's put our hands up. Both hands. Go ahead. Put both hands closer. There you have it, guys. That's her nails right there. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I know she's a little bit tough, but I think that's what makes me better. But other than that, anything you guys see in front of us, not polished, honey nails, Gotti, is all in the link in the description. One click, it's gonna lead you to all their items, okay? Other than that, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and I see you on my next husband doing wife's nails.
Give me your hand.
No, can we?
Can you just give me, can I have one try?
I'm gonna stay up at this video.
What?
I haven't done any, I'm running out of memory. I need to clear out the memory so I can get it ready for Jimmy's event. Okay, you're getting polish dripping everywhere on that thing. The fuck is this? She's complaining about me not drawing a flower, bro. My wife's complaining about me not drawing a flower, and this is her demonstration of how she would draw a flower, y'all. Look at that, yeah.